Today's video is regarding HP Deskjet 4120e printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. Now first step is to switch on the printer and open the front door. So this door is in the front and behind that is the ink cartridge door. Once you open it, the ink cartridges will move and come into the middle. Also you will see the ink cartridge number is written there. That's here. And this is of series HP Deskjet 4120e. To take the ink cartridge out, press it down and take it out. Install the new ink cartridge, slide it in, push it in, same way slide it in and push it inside. Hold the printer with the other hand so that it won't move. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door and your printer is ready to use. Thanks for watching.